finish you off.
No, we're losing altitude. I gotta get out of here. No, what are you going to do? No, you don't have to do this. Anyone available? There's an attacker in the cockpit. So that's it then. You're just gonna leave me here to go down with the ship? Looks like we'll be sharing this last ride together. Well, you got us. Was it worth it?
You have a tank? You said you stole this from the Top-Ats? That name sounds familiar. I think I heard of them when I was getting locked up at the Wall. Criminal organization, right? And you crossed them, huh? We gotta put this bad boy to use. What do you say we hit him again? I don't know about you, but I'm running pretty low on cash. Great. I'll get in touch with my contacts and find out where they're at. These tracks should lead us right to the secret Top-At base.
We might even find... That's it. The transport train. I think there's supposed to be... There it is. Their money cart.
I'm pretty sure that cart contains all the money they've amassed. There's our payday. Let's take it to them.
Oi, you hear that? What is that? Nice shot!
Stop the train! Balls, the train's in trouble. I can't stop it!
I'm on the way.
Well, that's one way to do it. Now, how are we gonna get all this money out of here?
Man, this is gonna take forever. So, now what?
Oi! This doesn't belong to you.
Happy Feet!
Stickman!
Seems like we're out of the danger zone. That should do the trick. You sure this is where he's gonna pick us up? Ah, there he is. You said you did some work with him in the past, or something? If you trust him, then so do I.
Hey, Henry! Nice to see you again. Who's your friend?
I'm Ellie.
Well, nice to meet you. Any friend of Henry's is a friend of mine. So, I was able to swing by and pick you guys up, but, well, you remember the captain. Yeah, he had to sanction this pickup. In return, we're gonna need your assistance again. The top hats. Again. I hope that's alright.
Well, it is the least we could do. He is helping us out.
Good. Let me fill you in on the details when we get into the air. Alright, so what's left of the Toppat clan is set up some sort of secret base out in the jungle. Seems like they're planning on launching some kind of space station into orbit. They'll be sitting pretty if they pull this off, so we gotta make sure that they don't do that. I talked to the general and he said he's pulling out all our main forces. He said that Henry and I made a good team last time, so he trusts that we can pull it off.
Henry and I make a pretty good team too. Don't count me out.
Then we're gonna make a great squad. The three of us will have no problems completing the mission.
Why did you say it like that? Alright, we're there. I don't think I can get any closer without getting shot down.
No worries. We can get there from here.
Where are we dropping, boys?
That was weirdly smooth. So, what's the plan?
The rocket will be launching very soon. Please get on board immediately. I will not hesitate to leave you behind. Uh-oh. Sounds like they're about to take off. You guys should get over there right away. I'll be down to help as soon as I can. Right here, combo time.
Funny story, this cannon was actually built to fire humans. It's kind of weird.
Hold on to your butts. Direct hit. Now quick guys, you gotta stop that rocket from taking off.
Got a little bit of a situation.
Yo!
Situation sorted.
Guys, the rocket's launching. We gotta do something before they get into orbit.
We need to come up with a plan, quick.
Huh. Okay guys, I have the most awesome plan.
I'm gonna crash headfirst into the cafeteria window.
What do you mean? Like, you're gonna jump out and smash it with your head?
No, with my helicopter. What do you guys think? I'm ready to...
Hold on, I don't really understand.
What's not to understand? It's simple. I fly the helicopter into the window.
But how does that help?
I don't really think you get it. Henry, you get it, right?
I guess I'm outvoted then.
I think it's a little bit out of range now.
Alright guys, listen up, I got a plan. Henry and I will overload the engine room, causing an explosion. Charles, we'll need you to wait outside the auxiliary exhaust by the forward left booster. We'll only have about 20 seconds to get out before it blows.
Alright, I'll be ready. Now hurry.
Where is he?
Alright, I'm in position. I don't see you guys though.
Seems like Henry's got a plan.
So... Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. That's a great idea. Alright, you guys do your thing, I'll be ready. What? Who's that?
Did you set the autopilot? Alright then, let's bail.
Ah, what a move. Can't believe we did it. Where'd you end up sending the rocket anyway?
That was a lot of fun. You know, feel free to call us if you got any more jobs to do together. Right, Henry?
We got some delinquents on the window of the control tower.
I'll take care of it.
Yeah, I was just about to close up.
Most recent message. This is a Code 12 broadcast. The remnants of the Top Hat clan have been seen mobilizing near the Dogo Bogo jungle. Rumors are they are attempting to launch an orbital satellite of some kind. Unconfirmed reports are telling us they are shipping their assets by train to this base in the jungle. These assets include all treasures and artifacts they have stolen throughout the years. Now these treasures are worth quite a lot of money, so we gotta make sure.
No stowaways here.
This is Checkpoint Inspection Team 5. We are all clear.
Roger that. We'll be heading out here in just a hot second.
Well, I suppose we should hop in.
It's about time. Hey, is that bush always there?
I'm not sure. I'll give it a test. Oh, it was a fake. Well, I suppose we should hop in.
It's about time.
Alright, I'll get the door. Jeez, you could have at least offered.
You were standing right
Someone
next
there? Hey, you there!
Excuse me. I was saving that seat for my friend. Hello? Hello? Oh, hey, there you are. Yeah, no, this guy just took a seat. I don't know. Excuse me. I was saving that seat for my friend. Hello? Hello? Oh, hey, there you are. Yeah, no, this guy just took a seat. I don't know.
Whoa, check out this crazy coat rack. Oh, look at me, I'm a little hat holder person. Ooh, can I take your hat? Ooh, I wonder what's out the window. Oh, it broke.
Alright, lads, train's here. Let's get everything packed up before it gets too late.
Okay, everyone, today's the day. Why is it empty in here?
I know it's been a long ride, but we're almost there. You've heard of the Top Hat clan, right? They have a secret base out here. I'm hoping they might let us join up with them now that we're on the run. Should be right around the... Huh? Hang on!
Yes, sir, we found them. They took me back here just like you said. I am on the way. Send in the entire squad. It seems like some other government is here. They're fighting with the top hats.
Don't worry about them. Focus on Henry and the girl.
You okay?
Wait, who are these guys? The top hats are bringing in reinforcements!
We gotta get out of here. We're sitting ducks.
Get the prisoners! Open fire!
Let's try and get up to the...
2 enemies towards the launch tower.
Got one of them right here, bro.
Nice. Now where's the other one?
Hey, brother.
You serious? Let's try and get up to the...
2 enemies towards the launch tower. You are now 1 month into your training. This is only the beginning. It will be harder. Bukowski twins, you boys will never be fit for combat duty. I will personally see to it that you are discharged.
Let's try and get up to the...
You good? Alright, let's get going.
The rocket is launching in 2 minutes.
Once we get to the top of this tower, we'll cross the bridge and be on the rocket. Hopefully the Top Hat clan will let us join.
Dad, they are here on the bridge. Open fire.
Roger that.
Quickly.
Hold it. You're not top hats.
No. We're here to join you. We're wanted, just like all of you.
Wait, you're the guy that stole our ruby. You do have some skills. We'll let you join, as long as you return the ruby.
Don't move. Those 2 belong to me.
You're coming with us.
Yeah, this is Charles. I'm following up on that disturbance we saw at the bridge.
Yeah, turns out the top hat leaders are here. Wait, is that Henry? Henry? Come on, help me take down the top hats!
What do we do?
Alright, I'm coming, get in! Alright, I got a plan. We gotta shoot out these support beams. All units fall back. We're going in for the big play.
Both of you.
This is Charles reporting the base. I got a couple of friends here with me. You're never gonna guess who they are.
Henry? Well, and if it isn't Ellie too, we've had you on our watch list for a while. Thanks for your help here today. I didn't think we could trust you after last time. I guess we owe you one.
Well, now that you mention it, we do have kind of a criminal history problem.
Yeah, I figured that was coming. I suppose you've earned a pardon.
4, 3,
This is
2,
quite the predicament.
1.
Take these!
Uh-oh. I gotta fall back.
Well
3,
done. Now get strapped
2,
in. We're about to blast
1.
off.
Wow, I can't believe that worked.
You've taken everything from me. My reputation is ruined. Now I will ruin you!
Everyone, I'd like to welcome our new members. They really showed their gusto when it counted. Also, they promised to return the ruby. Hey, General.
Ah, perfect timing, boys. Been waiting for you two to get here. Let me just get right to it. We've discovered that the remainders of the Top Hat clan have been seen building some kind of rocket. They've been gathering their remaining members and supplies here in the jungle. If they're able to get this station into orbit, they'll be impossible for us to take down. Now, I know you don't know us anything, Henry, but we could really use your help on this one. Help us out with this one, and we'd be owing you a big old favor. Now, you and Charlie have worked well together in the past, so we figured you'd be the perfect men for this operation.
Yeah, what do you say, Henry? You can count on us, General.
Now we're really putting all our potatoes in one sack on this one, so don't let us down, boys. Hey, I know we just started and all, but I think I'm getting targeted by a SAM turret. Yeah, oh yeah. If you could just go ahead and deal with that. I don't really know what you did, but seems to have done the trick. Nice. The rocket will be launching very soon. Please get on board immediately. I will not hesitate to leave you behind. Oh, we really gotta get you in there. I should be able to get you in there with this. Alright, Henry, go ahead and grab onto the thing, and then I'll helicopter you across. Oh man, it looks like every member of the Top Hat clan is on here. So, looking at a schematic here, if you get to the engine room, you can shut down the engine, and then the rocket won't be able to take off, and then they'll all be stuck in here. So, I'll cause a distraction while you make a run for it to the engine room, got it? Alright, I'm about to fire a subsonic wave. Should stun everyone that hears it, so you might want to cover your ears. Alright, coast is clear. Alright, I know they have one of these aboard. I think I can remote hack into it. Look at me! I am the dancing robot! Oh yeah! Check me out! Keep looking over here! Do not get distracted by other things. Yeah, just keep heading up those stairs and you'll hit that engine room in no time. I guess this rocket has an internal engine room? It probably, like, manages the electronics or something? I don't know. I'm not a rocket doctor. Anyways, Do your thing, buddy. Seems like the engine is ready sooner than we thought it'd be. Let's get out of here.
This doesn't seem right.
Seems like we're having some problems with the engine. Can we get the crew to look at that?
Shouldn't we be helping with the engine? Nah, they're sending some from the storage.
Nice.
Right then.
Disabling that engine is definitely going to buy you some extra time. Now, here's what I'm thinking. If you can get up to the cockpit, you can gain control of the rocket, disable it, and lock everyone inside. Then I'll call in the reinforcements and we'll make these arrests easily. It's a pretty good plan, right?
Let's go. Hey. Did you fix the engine? Why, hold it right there. Wait a minute, I know you. You're the guy that arrested the airship division, and now you're here to bring down the rest of us. Henry, are you in trouble? If you're in trouble, say flank steak.
No, wait, if you're in trouble, say nothing. Yeah, I still can't tell. Oh, actually, I can see it from here. Yeah, it looks pretty bad.
Let alone a rocket.
I got your back, buddy.
I got the sniper that spots out bad guys.
So I'll just take him out from here. Don't worry, there's zero chance that I'll hit you with this. Uh-oh, I'm losing control. Oh boy, this is bad. This is really... Oh boy. Oh man, and I dropped my sniper rifle. Come on. I almost got control. Almost got it. Oh, there we go.
At least I can take revenge
Nope,
on behalf of the Top Hat clan, so I got that going for me, I guess. The old leaders left details for this plan, and I had to dig... Yeah. Okay then, let's...
You did it! Now you just gotta lock it up. Alright, time to call in the reinforcements.
Sir, you might want to get us out of here. We got the government coming right now on our front door. Sir? Hello? At least open the locks and let us get to our weapons.
Henry! Nice work, man. Yeah, this is every last remaining member getting hauled off.
Fine work indeed, boys. You two really do make a fine team. I'm promoting you both into Special Covert Ops agents.
What? Henry's not even enlisted.
Well, he is now, unless he doesn't want it. You'll be running a lot more missions together with Charlie.
Preparations are nearly complete. Should be able to launch within the hour.
Oh, this place is cool. So, this is the Top Hat Clan's secret base. Sign me up. Whoa, what happened to that guy?
Henry! You're back. I took charge in your stead. I hope you don't mind.
I'm Ellie. I'm new here. What are you guys up to?
Well, Henry, remember that orbital station idea we were talking about? We went ahead with that plan. We've got all of our assets in there already. Once the final preparations are complete, we'll be ready to launch into orbit. That should keep us far away from any governments trying to bring us down. We should be able to...
Chief?
Hey, what did I tell you about calling me that? Henry's the chief, remember?
Oh, okay, yeah. We're under attack.
You two, get to the rocket. Henry. 1, 2, 3.
The rocket is launching in 5 minutes.
Do something. Hands up! Just you wait till my friend gets here. Yeah, sure. Bomb has been planted. Isn't this an EMP? Hands up! Just you wait till my friend gets here. Yeah, sure. It's high noon.
It's the leader!
I was wondering when you'd show up. Time's up. Let's do this.
Ooh. Wow.
The rocket is launching in 1 minute.
We gotta hurry.
You guys need a ride?
Don't let him get through, man!
We've got company!
Don't let him get through, man!
We've got company!
Don't let him get through, man!
We've got company!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wait! Henry's still down there!
I'll keep the door open as long as I can.
Come on, we gotta go.
Gotcha, Henry. You know, I could drop you right now and nobody would know. But why would I do that? I saw you out there. You put yourself on the line to save the Top Hat clan. You've truly earned my respect. I can't think of a better person to lead us. Thanks to Henry's efforts, we were able to establish our orbital station. Unfortunately, we lost quite a few members during the raid. With the station in orbit, we were able to raid any place on Earth with ease. Ellie was officially recruited into the Tuppet clan, and given the rank Right-Hand Lady. Me and my right-hand man went on to become top operators in the clan, performing several successful operations.
Cheers, mate.
No, listen. The Topback clan won't even stand a chance against us, dude.
Yeah, they don't even realize that we know about their secret jungle base. They think they can just launch a rocket into orbit and be free to do whatever they want. We're gonna even show them.
What are you two idiots doing?
We need to ship out right now. You guys are the worst. Come on.
Oh, whoops, that was too early.
Heard the new top bad leader's missing. $10 says he shows up and stops our entire operation. Yeah, alright.
Did I get him?
Ooh.
Big boy's going on a rampage. I thought Big Boy wasn't worth
Come in, Command. We are picking up minor chaos readings here. Permission to engage.
Roger that. Commencing chaos containment.
Commencing ultimate freeze.